Is your YouTube app crashing or automatically closing on your Android phone? You open a video and boom, the app shut down? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and working solution to fix YouTube crashing issue on your Android device. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, go to settings on your Android phone. Tap on apps or app management. Find and select YouTube. Now, go back to app info. Tap clear cache and clear data. Now, open Google Play Store. Search for YouTube. If you see an update button, tap it immediately. And lastly, restart your phone. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.